Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through today's market action. Markets continue to grind higher with the S&P continuing its all-time high run. Small caps closed as the big winner, up 1.5%. The Dow also tacked on more than 1%. The S&P added 0.75%. The Nasdaq gained almost 0.5%. And all sectors except consumer staples and utilities closed in the green as well. Healthcare once again led momentum, rallying 2%. Industrials and energy also saw significant strength, each gaining more than 1.5%. And while Wednesday's trading saw green arrows, the biggest story was the day's post-market earnings. After hours, Alphabet shares were mixed following an earnings beat. Its $13.6 billion in cloud revenue beat Wall Street's $13.1 billion estimates. Search and YouTube ad revenue also beat. Alphabet says that AI is, quote, positively impacting every part of the business and will drive strong momentum. Google's parent company did reveal that it will also increase 2025 capex spending to $85 billion. And Tesla missed earnings now for the second quarter in a row, but the stock price remained relatively unchanged shortly after the report came out. The company added that it is, quote, difficult to measure the impacts of shifting global trade and fiscal policies on the automotive industry and energy supply chains. However, Tesla said it does plan to increase volume production for a more affordable Model Y starting in the second half of 2025. Outside of the Mag 7, IBM traded lower on its earnings beat. The company saw infrastructure revenue growth up 14%. Software grew 10% year over year, but the $7.4 billion revenue that it generated still fell just short of Wall Street estimates. IBM cites AI as being a leading driver for innovation and growth. We'll, of course, have more on all of these earnings Thursday throughout the day here on the Schwab Network. And tomorrow morning, we'll get earnings from American and Southwest Airlines. After hours, Intel and Deckers will report. Also watch for the latest data on jobless claims, PMI, and new home sales. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember, you can tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.